Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Now I'm going to show you my new recipe. So sit back and relax. I hope you will like this recipe. So if you like this recipe, just give a thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment in order to improve my cooking skills. And don't forget to subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette for more videos to watch. Guys, we will start our cooking. We will saute the garlic and the onions. Then we will add the green beans and the carrots because the carrots and the beans is little bit more hard or strong, so we will mix it together with the sauteed onions and garlic. Then we will cover this first so that it becomes soft and tender. Guys, we will add this paprika powder, the black pepper, and the garlic powder, and we will mix it. And we will add this chicken bouillon. I'm not going to add any more salt because the bouillon, the chicken bouillon or the maggi is already salty. Okay, so we will just mix it and we will cook it until little bit half cooked. Then next we will add this broccoli. So guys, this is now our sauteed veggies, cauliflower, carrots, and green beans with paprika. And this is with the matching marinated chicken steak. This is a marinated chicken, guys. This is our chicken ready to be served. Marinated chicken together with the sauteed veggies, a healthy diet food, good for the diabetic and a high blood person. So thank you for watching, guys. And this is my menu for today: marinated chicken steak and sauteed veggies. Bye bye. So guys, this is now our sauteed veggies, cauliflower, carrots, and green beans with paprika. And this is with the matching marinated chicken steak. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. And I will see you in my next cooking time with Leytenia. God bless everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.